Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change the currency in your Wise account. So to change the currency, first of all you need to be in your home page over here, and then you'll be able to see this transfer calculator over here, and through here you can just change the currency to whatever that you want. You can change it to euros, or you can change it to the British pound or Indian rupees, and you can see the chart over here. And that's how you change your currency in your Wise app. And you can also get the recent exchange rate updates through here. And that's how you change the currency. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.